This is a half-gallon water distiller. I have it running right now. There's a fan on the top. This right here will be blowing like hot air off of it, because what it's doing is boiling all the water inside. So you put water directly inside of this right here, and the water boils up through here, and it goes through all these coils. And then basically it just cools them back off, and it creates your distilled water. So anything that does not evaporate will stay into your container here. Everything that does evaporate, just like whenever how rain is made, it goes up in the air and comes back down, but it leaves all the impurities on the ground right there. So this right here is purely H2O with really not too much anything else left in there unless it gets evaporated into the air here. But the fan is running here to keep everything nice and cool off of it, pull the hot water off of here too as well. The top here just sits down in here nice and secure here, so it's not a screw on top with it. This right here is a plastic jug with a nice handle right here. Plus it also comes with a top to go ahead and screw onto the top right there as well. That way you can go and put it in a fridge or anything else, anywhere that you want to store it. Great things about distilled water is that you can actually use it for like cleaning products, for example. So you can use it when you're cleaning, because there's going to be no leftover minerals whenever the water evaporates from it. You can use it for like your coffee. It does take a little bit smoother coffee in my experience whenever I use it for my coffees. You can also use it for many other things, your plants, your drinking water, anything like that. You can use this here to make your own distilled water right there with it. So it has a really nice half-gallon capacity for every single time that you make it. It takes maybe about 3 to 6 hours, depending on how much that you're making here. You just go ahead and click this button right here to go ahead and turn it on, and it automatically starts moving for you. Let me go ahead and unplug this here real quick, just that way I can go ahead and show you the back of it. I'm going to go ahead and let it leak out there just for a little bit. But there is a fan at the very, very top of this here altogether. Okay, so we took the lid off of here. So do not take the lid off whenever it's actually still hot and boiling. I kind of lifted it away very gently on here, so you can kind of see the water here is still steaming up. But I want to show you the top of it, because how it works is this here is all contained in one thing. So right here is the bottom, so you put your AC into the bottom down here, and that's going to go ahead and boil the water down here. And then the top has another plug right here, and that's going to go into the top up here. And that one right there is going to take the steam coming off of here and move it through the coils and then put it into your jug over here with it. So this right here is going to be the water distiller, and I hope you enjoy it as well.